Hello guys, a new mining coin for new mining bot. This is our bot today. It's Citizen. Like you see, you must watch to understand how it works and how to mine wcatti coin in this bot. It's a game, like you see. You enter with the link in the description. Also, all mining crypto and telegram will be in the description. Also, there is an airdrop. Hurry up, there is 7 days to end this airdrop to get free coins from airdrop. This is our homepage of our coin. It's simple. We just collect kits like that and upgrade our level. Like you see, we upgrade our level like that. It's very simple. You can add kit here. See, here you will find your collection. Like I told you, you level up like that. Like you see. We click in mine. Here we will find our wcatti mining. It's automatically, like you see. Here you will find your assist of wcatti. Here there is mining. There is 6 days to end mining. Also, you can stake fish here and have some wcatti coin for free. This is stake fish. I have 28. To stake fish you must have 1000. We return. How to get our fish? It's very simple. We go to guest here. We do daily mission. We get our fish for free. Like you see, already claimed. There is check-in. It's connected to MetaMask wallet. 100% real coin. It's connect to our wallet, MetaMask or Ox. Now we are connecting it to our MetaMask. Like you see, it will show in our MetaMask. See, connected, connecting, confirm. Like you see, you do this daily mission to get fish. Transaction complete. If you view our wallet, like you see, it gives you some MNT coin. Now we return. Like you see, we return to our guest. This is how to collect fish here to start staking. Daily work like that. Here achievement. Here in achievement, every day you will get some coins. Like you see, some fish for free. Like you see, log into Citizen. Here I do this jobs. You follow Twitter, you follow an X. You can do in also in OX wallet. I already joined it. This is how to get fish. You enter daily here. You do daily mission, and you collect fish for free. This is our bot. This is how to mine wcatti for free. There is 6 days. All link of all mining coin will be in description. Now we go to our to our airdrop. This is our deed airdrop. You register from the link in the description, and that's all. I have one coin. You click in start, and every 24 hours you click in start, and in some days, that's all. You click in simple way. That's all. Also there is pepe. There is pepe airdrop. The link will be in description. Like you see, I have 38,000 pepe. You click receive. You let it for every 4 hours. You collect free pepe. That's all. For withdrawal you must have 200 diamond to throw this amount. Just invite your friend. There is more diamond. You can do this lottery. It's free lottery. This is our video today. All link of all mining crypto will be in description. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel. See you another mining video.